Hi, I'm Andrew with Bullion RV, and today I'm going to do a quick video and show you guys this brand new 2026 Cherokee Wolf Pup 17LP. It's 22 feet, 1 inch long, and completely dry. It is 3,200 pounds on the nose. Let's go take a look. Now, one of the things that makes this Wolf Pup different than some of the others is instead of having a tankless on-demand water heater, we have a 6-gallon water heater here, which might make it a little easier if you want to go boondocking. Here's where you can hook up to your city water for your connections. Got your furnace and our 30-amp power supply. This will come with one 20-pound completely full propane tank when you drive this off the lot here at Bullion RV. And on this side, we got some storage. Got some not totally pass-through storage in here, but you can see it is accessible from inside. And got another storage compartment back here, which is also accessible from inside the camper. Let's go take a look at the inside real quick. Like a lot of these Wolf Pups, we do have a queen-sized east-west bed up front. Got your kitchenette here, 2-burner cooktop, no oven, but you know, there's not really a lot to cook in ovens in campers other than frozen pizzas and a few other things, and we've got pizza ovens for the outdoors if you really want one. You've got a small refrigerator here, as well as your microwave. Take a look at the bathroom. We have a floor flush plastic toilet. Here is your shower. Got a sink in the bathroom, which is a nice touch. Not a lot of small campers come with sinks in the bathroom, but this one's got it. As well as a corner medicine cabinet. Now we've got the 16LP and the 17LP. What's the biggest difference? Well, probably the sleeping areas. Instead of the cot-sized bunks like you'll find in the 16LP, we do have 2 wide bunks here. And the dinette is a little different as well, as it's just got the 2 benches here. Does not break down into a bed like the 16LP, but you do get more sleeping space over here. And speaking of the dinette, there is a little bit of storage under the cushions as well. So, I'm Andrew with Bullion RV. This is the Cherokee Wolf Pup 17LP. Love to show you this or any of the other units we have in our lot here at Bullion RV. We have no hidden costs whenever we do any kind of deals. You'll have your sales tax, your title, the license, but that's really about it. We'd rather play Go Fish and put our cards on the table and just say, hey, let's be as upfront and honest as we can about our campers. So please give me a call, 218-408-8937, and I hope to hear from you soon.